everyone, welcome back to S2LEARN. So in today's video, I am going to discuss a new worksheet on is, am, are. How to use these words in a sentence. So first you must know where you are going to use is, am, are before solving the worksheets. And if you find my worksheets and practice set useful, so please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start. So case 1, if the subject is singular and if you are using pronouns he, she and it, you will be using is. Second case, if the subject is plural and if you are using pronoun we, they, you will be using are. Last one, if you use pronoun I, it will always be followed by am. Clear? You can pause the video and go through these cases before solving the worksheet. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. First question, we dash interested to purchase a new flat. So the answer will be we are interested. Second one, I am not concerned about this matter. So the answer will be am. As we know, if you find I, it will be followed by am. Third one, the women, we are talking about the plural subject. So the women are working in the field. Fourth one, Stancy is singular subject, Stancy. So Stancy is studying hard for her exams. Fifth one, the boy is looking for his lost watch. Her kittens, so kittens here are plural, so her kittens are little and fluffy. Seventh one, I again, so I am standing near the bus stop. Clear with this first set of questions? Next set. This day is perfect for players. Ninth one, Jane is the leader of our team. Singular subject, so we are using is. 10th one, you, so we'll be using are. You are playing cricket very well. 11th one, again I, so I am terribly hungry. 12th one, there are. Why? Because 7 days, we are plural, we are talking about plural one. So there are 7 days in a week. 13th one, they are fit for this job. 14th one, why is he so excited today? Clear with these set of questions? Moving to the last set. Nikki is wearing a beautiful dress. It is an example of dedication. So you can refer to the cases and then solve so that it will be easy for you to understand these questions and where to use is, am, are. 17th one, you are playing cricket very well. And the last one, yes, they are very good at English. Clear? I hope you are clear with this small practice set from my side. Thank you for watching. You can also become the member of my channel by clicking on the join button, and you can support the channel by clicking on super thanks feature. I will be back with the more interesting videos, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, bye.